Are you importing goods from China and wondering how to pay Chinese manufacturers from Zambia? Maybe you've found a supplier on Alibaba, made a deal with a factory, or you're ready to place your first bulk order. But now the big question is, how do you actually send the payment safely and smoothly? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable way to pay Chinese manufacturers directly from Zambia. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges Zambian importers face is international payments. Most local banks charge high transfer fees, exchange rates are often unfavorable, international wire transfers can take several days, sometimes payments get delayed or flagged, and when you're dealing with manufacturers, delays can affect production timelines and shipping schedules. So, what's the best solution? The easiest way to pay Chinese manufacturers from Zambia is by using a trusted payment agent who understands how Chinese payment systems work. Most Chinese manufacturers accept payments through bank transfers, WeChat, Pay, Alipay. However, sending directly from Zambia can be complicated and expensive. That's where I come in. I help individuals and businesses in Zambia pay Chinese manufacturers quickly and securely. Whether you're paying a factory, supplier, or sourcing agent, I handle the transfer process professionally. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Send me the manufacturer's payment details and the amount required. Step 3. Make your local payment using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the transfer to the manufacturer in China. Step 5. Your supplier confirms receipt and production continues smoothly, fast, secure, reliable. Now, why should you choose me? I am a trusted and well-known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross-border payments, transparent pricing, no hidden charges, fast processing times. Professional handling of business transactions, a reputation built on trust and results. When paying manufacturers, you cannot afford mistakes. A wrong transaction can delay your goods or damage your supplier relationship. That's why working with someone experienced matters. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through unofficial channels. WhatsApp only. If you're ready to pay your Chinese manufacturer safely and efficiently from Zambia, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your import business smooth and profitable. See you on WhatsApp.